Today, NGO and charitable organizations spend more than 20% in transactional costs. We're talking about domestic banking fees, international fund transfer fees, and credit card donation process fees. All these fees have a cost and are increasingly getting overwhelming for most of those organizations. Imagine you're running an NGO or charitable organization and you're trying to help a community across the world. Just by sending money in Africa or in India or anywhere else, it costs a lot of money and it cannot be sustainable in the long run for some of us. So how do we deal with this issue? It's in this context that cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin come in very handy. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin allow you to transfer very large amounts or very small, if you're into micropayments, at a very low cost, sometimes even none, and with a huge and infinite geographical reach. So how can we make these two worlds meet? How can NGO use technologies like the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrencies that are at their disposal in order to make a change in the world? Is this technology safe or is it just a trend? Where do they start if they want to use those kind of tools? Is it dangerous? Well, how do we change the legal structure, the regulatory requirement? How do they cope with the accounting way of doing things? These are all topics that we're going to talk about at the KWS Forum on October 3rd, 2014 at UCINSEE in Montreal, Quebec. So join us, and there will be two experts with us. Peter Chase, the founder of the Water Project, which is an organization that provides safe water in Africa, and Bitcoin CEO Embassy, Francis Pouliot, who is the CEO of the Bitcoin Foundation Canada, a Pan-African organization that is here to promote the Bitcoin around the world and its use. So if you're curious and if you want to see all the conferences that are alike, go on kws-forum.org and register. I'll be happy to see you there. Goodbye.